y'all day number 4. Got this guy from the dumpster. Day number 4. I seen a lot of life on it. Before I continue, I just want to show you guys here. Like, oh nah, we ain't doing that. So it's a lot of life on it. I'm just cutting it back, as you see. Especially this stalk right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Now, when we get up higher, there are a few troubles. This one is very, very questionable, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm going to repot it. I'm gonna continue to water it, or actually water it because I haven't watered it. Getting it acclimated to the temperature of my place. Our dwellings here. The temperature and the energy and the frequency